Thank you.
Bloody hell was that?
Yeah, I just want to give it everything.
It's the judge's houses, babe.
I know.
How did this happen?
It's seriously bad. The upside is,
He's another.
he's very likeable. It's like giving away a dog you've rescued.
Huh.
You know, who's only got 3 legs. But you'd still keep the dog, even though you want the dog with 4 legs in the competition. The dog laugh, yeah.
Like his mom is putting down the
I
knife, but he'd be like,
hope
you need to have
that
a
I
watch.
could do enough.
How many people do you get? 3?
3.
3 people. And if he's one of them, that's one less chance to win.
Next up, singing for Simon and Sunita, is 31-year-old Lizzie Pattinson.
My X Factor experience has been the most crazy experience that I've ever had.
Lizzie, I'm going to swap you, sweetheart.
Boot camp was really intense. I didn't expect for that to happen.
Lizzie, stay there a second. Lizzie, stay there.
That was the toughest moment so far.
Yeah, my brother is Robert Pattinson.
Oh, that's her. From the start of the competition, I really wanted to be judged on my singing as opposed to anything about my brother, obviously.
I don't know if I want to look.
Our category has some really strong voices, but I really hope today that I can prove to Simon that I deserve a place in the live shows.
Lizzie, I think so far you've done good, you haven't done great. I think